So another reaction is Sandmeyer reaction. Sandmeyer reaction is very important reaction for the preparation of aryl halide. We will see here how. See, Sandmeyer reactions how when anilines or primary aromatic amines, when anilines or primary amines is also common name, anilines on reaction with nitrous acid. What is the nitrous acid? HNO2. And what is HNO3? It is a nitric acid, right? So aniline on reaction with nitrous acid gives ammonium salt, or we can say diazonium salt. And this diazonium salt formation by the action of nitrous acid on aniline is called as Sandmeyer reaction. Formation of diazonium salt from anilines or any primary aromatic amine by the action of nitrous acid is called as Sandmeyer reaction. And on that diazonium salt, if you add CuCl, it gives you chlorobenzene. If you add CuBr, gives you bromobenzene. We will see here now example. Let's see example for this one, Sandmeyer. Okay, now. So what is Sandmeyer reaction? We can write here. See, this is the let us take aniline first. This is aniline. This is aniline. When you react with this HNO2, nitrous acid, but it is not available commercially. We cannot purchase nitrous acid. What we have to generate this in the laboratory, and it is called as in situ generation. In situ generation. What is in situ generation? When certain chemicals are freshly prepared in the laboratory, then such chemicals which are being produced in the laboratory during the chemical reaction are called as in situ generation. So how it is prepared? It is prepared by the action of NaNO2 plus HCl. This one. This mixture will give you nitrous acid. And that nitrous acid react with this one, and this will produce this salt. So remember this. This is called as benzene ring. There is N2 plus and Cl minus. This is called as benzene diazonium salt. This is called as benzene diazonium salt. Now what will happen with this diazonium salt? This diazonium salt, benzene diazonium salt, if you react this with CuCl, a small amount of HCl, so this whole will be replaced by Cl, and this is what benzene chloride, or it is also called as chlorobenzene. This is called as chlorobenzene. If you add to this, if we add CuBr in the presence of HBr, this will produce, now you can see this, no problem, bromobenzene. And if you add to this if we add potassium iodide, so this will definitely form iodobenzene. What about fluorobenzene? So for that we have to add HBF4 followed by heating. So this will produce fluorobenzene. So this was about Sandmeyer reaction in the synthesis of and its use, Sandmeyer reaction and its use in the synthesis of aryl halide. Okay, right.